Hi friends, I bring you good news from the United Kingdom. In fact, this is a game changer and probably what you have been waiting for. With this new rule, you can decide to move to the UK as an international student without too much worries concerning whether you will be able to bring your dependents or would they be allowed to stay on your visa, etc. If you remember that recently, the UK government announced that international students other than at the postdoctoral level can not bring their dependents to the UK. While a lot of people were trying to adjust to the shock, the government also announced that for you to qualify for a skilled worker visa, you will have to earn a minimum of £38,700. This further stresses the impracticality of getting a job after studying in the UK or even after a postgraduate route. However, with this new development, that worries has been taken care of with this new rule. My name is Peter, and welcome to Visa Pathfinders. On this channel, we discuss how you can move to the world main economics like the United States, United Kingdom, Canada, New Zealand and Australia among others. So, stay tuned. We will now proceed to discuss the exemption rule. Please ensure to watch to the end for you to understand and use this information to better your chances. Also, like and share this video with anyone it would benefit. And as this information is valuable, kindly click the subscribe button and click the notification icon so that you don't miss any of our videos. And to our amiable subscribers, thank you always. Now let's begin. On Wednesday the 14th of February 2024, according to the UK government changes to legal migration rules for a family and work visa, when asked about what about the higher £38,700 salary threshold for the skilled worker visa, will that apply to people already here on that visa? As you can see, they said no. Those already in the skilled work route and applications made before the rules change will not be subject to the new £38,700 salary threshold when they change employment, extend, or settle. And more importantly, for today's video, the government indicated that, in certain circumstances, people can be paid a little less than the usual minimum salary and still be sponsored for a skilled worker visa. This includes new entrants to the labour market, such as people aged under 26 and postdoctoral researchers. This is the crux of today's information, and you don't want to miss it. Now, if we click the link to see how you qualify
a new entrance for further
understanding, a new migrant is someone who is near the start of their career, who meets certain criteria. Please note that it does not mean that an applicant who is making their first skilled worker application or entering the UK for the first time. It is a new rule, and let's see how to make use of it to our advantage. You simply need to meet any of the options below, and not all to qualify as a new migrant. For the sake of this video, I will start from the number 6 and 7. Then we'll walk our way through the rest. 1. Firstly, you qualify for new entrants if your most recent permission, other than as a visitor, was under Tier 4 General or the student route. You will be eligible as a new migrant if your most recent permission or previous permission was to study one of the following courses, not any other qualifications of an equivalent level: a UK bachelor's degree, a UK master's degree, a UK PhD or other doctoral qualification, postgraduate certificate in education, or a professional graduate diploma of education, only that your permission must either be current or have expired less than 2 years before the date of application. According to the government, the applicant must have completed or be applying no more than 3 months before they are expected to complete the course. An exception applies to PhDs and other doctoral qualifications, where the applicant must have completed at least 12 months study in the UK towards the qualification. I hope that you understand what this means. Basically, you don't have to worry about getting a high salaried job after your studies in order to remain in the UK, or bring your family over if they are not yet with you. This option really ignites hope. I'm telling you. 7. Secondly, you are also eligible if your most recent permission, other than as a visitor, was under the graduate route, which a lot of us call postgraduate route, only that your permission must either be current or have expired less than 2 years before the date of application. Your immigration history checks alone should suffice, but if the caseworker need more information, they can request relevant missing information from the sponsor. If the sponsor has indicated the applicant is a new entrant, but has not provided the necessary details. With these two, you do not have to worry whether you will be able to meet the salary requirements after your studies or even after postgraduate visa. And of course, your family will qualify to stay with you as your dependents too. Please share this information with anyone who are in this position. Without further ado, click the subscribe and notification button to stay up to date on every news related to UK immigration. Here are the other 5 characteristics that could qualify you to come to the UK with a salary below the regular £38,700 as stated by the government. You also are qualify if you are under 26 on the date of application. OR 2. Applicant is sponsored for a postdoctoral position in one of the following occupations, which are chemical scientists, biological scientists and biochemists, physical scientists, social and humanities scientists, natural and social science professionals not elsewhere classified, or higher education teaching professionals. 3. Thirdly, applicant who is working towards a recognized professional qualification in a UK regulated profession is also eligible. Kindly check the CPQ website to confirm whether the job in a UK regulated profession. A job qualifies if it appears on any of the 4 lists. 4. Fourthly, applicant who is working towards full registration or chartered status with the relevant profession body for the job they are sponsored for are eligible. 5. Fifthly, applicants who are switching from Tier 1 graduate entrepreneur are also eligible. For this, your immigration history is enough to confirm your eligibility. We hope that this information has been valuable. Do not hesitate to like and share this video. And of course, why would you not click the subscribe and notification button to join our amazing family of champions? Thank you for watching and see you later. Bye.